Good morning. We're going off on another adventure. We're going to a coffee plantation which is about an hour's drive away from Johor Bahru, and it's called my Liberica or my Liberica or Liberica. That's the word. My Liberica Coffee Plantation and Processing Mill. So not only can I not pronounce Malay words, I can't pronounce, is Liberica an English word? A Spanish word? I don't know what sort of word it is, but it's the name of the coffee plantation. And so my fellow traveller, which let's see if I can quickly show you her. Here you go.
Hi everyone, happy Malaysia Day.
Yes, it's Malaysia's birthday today. It is not Merdeka Day, that was the Independence Day, but today is the formation of Malaysia, I think, or thereabouts. Right, this is the Liberica, that seems to be the name of the place, Liberica Coffee Plantation, and we're having a quick walk through the coffee plantation. What on earth do you call it? The bit where they actually grow the coffee. I guess it's still a coffee plantation. Anyway, having a quick walk through the through where the plants are. Stumbling over my words as well as the mud, because it's a rather damp day today, and I'm looking at obscure lumps of rock and papaya trees and cocoa trees, so it's obviously a chocolate lover's paradise. With any luck we'll get to taste some. Anyway, 50 years ago this place would have been full of rampaging tigers, and I do mean only 50 years ago, maybe even 25 years ago. There might have been a few around, but there's certainly wild elephants still around. And well, I know there used to be lots of crocodiles in the waters around here, but I haven't seen any myself, other than in the crocodile farm. This is a farm with long-tailed dogs on it. I've often found that the farm areas, I say farm, plantation areas here, all have their own special breeds of dog. They are obviously all related to each other. Have you got anything useful to say?
Have I got anything useful to say? It's dark green here. That's the overwhelming colour. And these really tall bushes here, those are the ginger flower
is that what they
plants.
are?
Yes.
They're nothing to do with the coffee.
No, those are ginger.
Ginger.
Plants.
Wow.
There's a pile of cut ginger way round the corner
Oh,
there
right,
on the floor,
right.
so
Yes.
they must have harvested that recently.
Yeah.
Because it said in the notes we were sent
Oh,
that you
right.
could wander around and look at the ginger flowers.
Oh, right.
They grow ginger flower, cocoa, coffee and papaya.
Yes, I recognise
By
papaya
a
and
process
cocoa.
of elimination.
Those are ginger.
Yeah, those are.
You can see I'm an expert of natural, what's the word? Natural phenomena, that's it. I recognise birds are birds, trees are trees, bushes are bushes, flowers are flowers. You don't actually see many flowers in this region, and here's one of the many flowers that you don't see. I knew as soon as I said that we would find flowers. What sort of flowers are these, Helen?
The yellow ones, Lawrence.
Well, there you go. The expert here has told me they are yellow flowers.
Oh, there's some red ones there.
And here's some red ones. And there's some flies, which I'm suddenly being attacked by. Quite a lot of flies. I recognise that. Yes, I recognise coconuts.
And you've got shots of the cocoa pods.
Oh yes, I've got cocoa pods. Cocoa pods and cocoa. And that's a truck.
Currently consists of only about 1% of production in the world. That would be, it's quite scary for me. Okay, so
Chocolate that's been doused in.
of this lanyard, Mr. Liu, he is actually
subscribe to the channel, and there will be more adventures to come.